tell me something about your car racing.
I have a really big dick. It's hard to put seatbelts on.
There you go.
You have to push it to one side,
Yeah.
and then the seatbelt comes up. It really sucks because all your nuts and your dick is on one side. When you got the seatbelt so tight, you have to inhale to put them on, and when you exhale, your dick sticks out one side. If you don't do it, you crash and flip end over end, you probably break your neck. Pretty bad.
Break his neck.
I ran with MSA, I don't know.
MSGs.
No, it's a
That's a good stuff, man.
MSA something. I have pictures. You've seen the pictures. I was like 8th place. I ran my first race in Milwaukee Arena indoor. Champion.
You become champion in your first race?
Indoor. Milwaukee
Okay.
Arena in a basketball court. There was 21 cars in a feature. I was in the first heat. I started dead last. I finished in 3rd. First time in a race car, indoor, at a basketball arena. It's documented on the internet. Overall finish on the feature race,
Butch Cobus.
it's on the internet. 2000. I raced mini sprints for 8 years. I was at US 24 Raceway. I qualified number 1 out of 21 cars at US 24 Raceway. Number 1 qualifier. You doubt me?
No, I don't.
It's
No,
on the
no, no.
internet.
No, I don't doubt you. I believe I have no reason not to believe you.
There's one thing that divides a person from first place to last place is, you want to be number 1? You better have a deep wallet, a deep pocket.